Hello, I'm Mike Richardson with SignalFilters.com. We are the filter division of Entrotech Systems located in Sandusky, Ohio. Entrotech has almost 4 decades of experience supplying filter and engine manufacturers with WIF or water and fuel sensors. We are pleased to introduce our new AutoSig N2K water separating fuel filtration system with NMEA 2000 connectivity. The AutoSig N2K has several innovative technologies which solve distinct problems associated with gasoline and diesel-powered boats. AutoSig N2K provides a distinct advantage over conventional water and detection systems for both boat builders and consumers alike. AutoSig N2K is the first and only marine primary water separating fuel filtration system that is NMEA 2000 enabled for boats and complies with the U.S. Coast Guard and ABYC H24 fire tests. AutoSig can be mounted anywhere on a powerboat without restriction. No other gasoline or diesel watering monitoring systems can operate with signal filter system flexibility. Because different engine manufacturers have different water and fuel requirements, signal filters can help boat builders by streamlining the design, integration, and ABYC compliance. Signal Filters is also easily retrofitted into boat using NMEA 2000 connectivity without creating a fire hazard. For gasoline-powered boat owners, the AutoSig N2K provides a safe early warning before water reaches their engine's fuel filter. For diesel-powered boats, Signal Filters is a much simpler and more reliable NMEA 2000 all-in-one system. Our patented probe and can technology takes less space, has no external probes, and is less expensive alternative to the daisy chain of componentry needed for a conventional NMEA 2000 water and fuel monitoring. I would like to thank you for viewing. For more detailed information, please visit our website at signalfilters.com. Thank you.